Hello, everyone, and welcome to our session on profiling user space applications. In the complex world of software development, identifying and resolving performance bottlenecks is paramount. Today, we'll explore two powerful tools in the Linux ecosystem: perf, the versatile performance analysis tool, and DWARF Debug information, which provides the crucial context needed to make sense of perf's raw data. Together, they form an indispensable duo for anyone looking to truly understand and optimize their applications. This lesson will equip you with the knowledge to leverage these tools effectively, helping you write faster, more efficient software. Performance isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a fundamental aspect of application quality and user experience. Slow applications can lead to increased resource consumption, higher operational costs, and, most importantly, frustrated users. Whether you're building a high-throughput server, a responsive desktop application, or an embedded system, understanding where your application spends its time is critical. Performance analysis helps us identify these hidden bottlenecks, the functions or code paths that consume the most CPU cycles, memory, or I/O, allowing us to focus our optimization efforts where they will have the greatest impact. At the heart of our profiling journey is perf, a powerful command line tool integrated directly into the Linux kernel. Perf allows you to monitor a wide array of hardware and software events, giving you deep insights into your system's behavior. From tracking CPU cycles and cache misses to page faults and context switches, perf can capture detailed performance data with surprisingly low overhead. It operates by sampling events, giving you a statistical representation of where your application spends its time. This makes it an invaluable first response tool for performance investigations. Using perf typically involves two main steps: data collection and data analysis. The perf record command is used to collect raw performance data by running your application and recording specified events. The G option is particularly important as it records the call graph, which is essential for understanding execution flow. Once data is collected, the perf report command provides an interactive viewer to analyze the collected perf.data file. It aggregates samples, identifies hotspots, and allows you to drill down into call stacks to pinpoint the exact functions consuming resources. Let's look at a basic example. While perf excels at collecting performance data, its raw output often presents addresses and cryptic function names. This is where DWARF Debug information becomes indispensable. DWARF is a standardized debugging data format that compilers embed into executables or separate debug info files. It provides a rich mapping from compiled machine code addresses back to the original source code: file names, line numbers, variable names, and function signatures. Without DWARF, perf can only provide basic function names or memory addresses, making it incredibly difficult to pinpoint the exact line of code causing a performance issue. DWARF bridges this gap, allowing perf to present human-readable call stacks. For perf to leverage DWARF, you need to ensure it's generated during compilation and accessible during analysis. The most common way to generate DWARF is by compiling your code with the -G compiler flag. This embeds debug information into your executable. In production environments, however, it's often desirable to strip executables of this bulky debug info to reduce file size and potential attack surface. Tools like ustrip or objcopy.onlyKeepDebug can extract debug information into separate files. You can then configure perf or your system to find these external debug info packages when needed, ensuring detailed analysis without deploying large executables. When perf has access to DWARF information, its analytical capabilities are significantly enhanced. Instead of just showing hexadecimal addresses or basic function names, perf report can now display full, demangled function names, source file names, and precise line numbers within the call graph. This granular detail is crucial for accurately identifying the exact line of code causing a performance hotspot. Furthermore, tools like perfscript can parse the raw perf.data file and, with DWARF, reconstruct detailed call stacks for custom analysis, enabling even more sophisticated performance investigations and integration into automated workflows. Interpreting perf reports effectively is key to identifying performance issues. The primary columns to focus on in perf report are samples and percentage. Samples indicates how many times a particular function or code path was observed during the profiling run, while percentage shows its contribution relative to the total samples. High percentages or sample counts often point to hotspots, areas where the CPU spends a significant amount of its time. By navigating the call stacks, you can trace these hotspots back to their callers, understanding the full execution path and pinpointing the root cause of the performance bottleneck. Always remember to focus on the highest percentages first. To get the most out of perf and DWARF, keep these best practices in mind. Always ensure your DWARF debug information is present and accessible. Without it, your analysis will be severely limited. Profile on representative workloads that mimic real-world usage. A short artificial test might not reveal true bottlenecks. Isolate specific code sections if you suspect a particular area. Start with a broad, system-wide perf run, and then narrow down your focus as you identify problematic areas. Finally, always check your perf permissions, as it often requires elevated privileges to access kernel events. Being methodical will save you a lot of time and effort. In conclusion, the combination of perf and DWARF debug information provides an incredibly powerful toolkit for understanding and optimizing the performance of your user space applications. Perf gives you the raw data and insights into system events, while DWARF translates that data into meaningful, source-level context. Mastering these tools is essential for anyone developing high-performance software, allowing you to move beyond guesswork and make data-driven optimization decisions. Don't stop here. Explore other Linux tracing tools like Strace, ltrace, and the emerging capabilities of eBPF for an even deeper dive into system behavior. Practice makes perfect, so start profiling your applications today.